So today I have one more free AI tool that can turn your simple videos into cartoon style, anime style, pixelated style, and in lot of other styles. Yes, I have already covered some videos on this topic, but after making those videos, those AI tools become paid. But this AI tool is totally free, at least for now. And believe me, this is better than all of them. So what's this AI tool is? Let's find out. Alright, so this is called the Morph Studio, and this is the website, and you guys can see some of the video examples. And in the explore section, these are some of the templates that people have already generated, and you can also classify these videos by the categories like the anime, luxury, pixel, cartoon, cyberpunk. So it means this AI tool support all of these styles. Now, to access this one, you have to click on this Get Started button, and this will ask you to sign up with your Gmail. So simply sign up, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So if you are new to this platform, you have to click on this Create New, and this will ask you for the aspect ratio. So first of all, we have to give it a name. So I'm gonna name it like test 1, and then you have to select the aspect ratio. So we have all of famous aspect ratios: 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 9:16, but I'm gonna go with the 16:9 and hit create. Now you can see we have a very simple interface where we have the option of input prompt. But if I click on this icon, you can see we have a lot of different options. So you can see we have the models. By default, this is text to video, but we also have the image to video, video to video, video to video lip syncing, and even image to video stable diffusion model 1.1. Well, all of these models are very useful, but in this particular video, we're only gonna focus on the video to video. So once you select that, this will give you different styles like anime, animation 3D, clay, pixart, realistic, fantasy, ink, cyberpunk, oil painting, and then we also have the option to select the duration. So it can generate maximum 10 seconds long video, which is great option. And then we have the style strength. So what it does, if you keep the values lower, the video will be less stylized, and if you keep the values higher, like 1, the video will be more stylized. So I would like to keep it around 0.5, which is default. And now we have to upload our video. So click on this icon, and I'm gonna select this video. Okay, so our video is uploaded, and now we have to select the style. So I'm gonna go with the anime style, and now click on this star icon to generate this video. So right now the job is in the queue, and see you after the results. Okay, our video is ready, and after generating this video, it gives you different options like regenerate option, the style transfer, but we are okay with that, and also the lip syncing feature that I'm gonna try later in the video. But if you want to export this video, you have to click on this dot, and you need to connect this to the export section, just like the Comfy UI. Now you can click on this export button, and you can download your video. And these are the final video results, and look at that, how consistent this video is. Even the hand movements, fingers, each and everything is super consistent. As we already know that AI always mess up with their hands, but in this particular example, this is on point. So if I compare this with the LensGo AI that I covered in my previous video, and many of you guys were saying that this is a paid tool, well, this is not a paid tool. It gives you 50 free credits on a daily basis that allows you to generate almost 3 videos a day, which is a good number. So I'm going to compare the same video inside of the LensGo AI with the style transfer, and from the style section we're going to select the same style, but we don't have anime style, so I'm going to upload this separately. And from the left side, you can see we can only generate 5-second long video in the free plan. And if you want to generate the full length video, you have to upgrade to their premium plan. But at least you can try this for free. So hit generate. Okay, so here is the side-by-side comparison between both of these videos, and you are the judge which one looks better. But remember that there is some limitations on the LensGo AI, but on the other hand, Morph Studio is totally free at this moment. Now let's try its lip syncing feature on the same video, and for that you have to click on your video and then select the lip syncing, and now upload your voiceover. So I have this voiceover, and now hit lip sync button, and here are the output results.
This is the lip sync feature testing. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section, you naughty boy.
So the lip syncing feature works really good, and I think it performs better than the other AI tools like Domo AI and LensGo AI. And at this moment this is totally free, so please don't spam in the comment section that this is fake and this is not free, because I don't know when the company is gonna introduce their premium plan, because at the end of the day they also wanna make money out of it. So the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you guys in the next one.